Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Mangonadas Popsicles, full guide. Start by selecting ripe mangoes, quality chamoy, and tajin. Prepare molds and tools. Begin with a clean workspace and wash fruit thoroughly, then chop mango into chunks for easier blending. Mix lime juice and sugar to taste, blend to a smooth texture, and layer chamoy for swirl effects. Freeze solid, then serve chilled with extra tajin and lime wedges for contrast. In this video, I will show how to make Mangonadas Popsicles, full guide. Measure ingredients first so you can blend quickly for fresh flavor. Peel and dice mangoes to roughly equal sizes to ensure smooth pureeing without overworking the blender. Combine mango, lime juice, and sugar, tasting as you go to balance sweet and tart. Reserve some fruit for texture and set aside chamoy for layering between frozen mango. In this video, I will show how to make Mangonadas Popsicles, full guide. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for easy voice control and hands-free pickup after juicy mango prep. It saves time so you can focus on flavors. I like its smart mapping and strong suction for sticky floors, and it even handles crumbs from tajin. If this helps, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Mangonadas Popsicles, full guide. Blend mango to your preferred consistency, either fully smooth or slightly chunky for bite. Pour in layers, alternating mango and chamoy to create a ribbon effect, pressing sticks into place once slightly set. Tap molds gently to remove air pockets and prevent ice crystals. Allow enough freezing time so popsicles release cleanly, then dip briefly in warm water to unmold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.